In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Mailchimp with Salesforce, enabling seamless communication between your marketing and sales teams. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up the integration efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, ensure you are logged into your Mailchimp account. If prompted, enter your credentials and sign in to access your dashboard. Next, locate the search bar within the Mailchimp interface. Type Salesforce into the search bar and press enter. This will display a list of relevant integrations and options. Look for the option labeled Mailchimp for Salesforce for Optida and click on it to proceed. After selecting the Mailchimp for Salesforce option, you will be directed to the integration page. Here, you will see information about the integration and its benefits. Look for the button labeled Get Started and click on it. This action initiates the integration process and a new page will load with further instructions. Once on the Get Started page, you will find a button labeled Get It Now. Click on this button to begin the installation process. This may redirect you to the Salesforce applications where you can manage your Salesforce applications, ensure you have the necessary permissions to install new applications. Upon reaching the Salesforce App Exchange page, locate the button that says Get It Now. Click this button to continue the installation. You may be prompted to log into your Salesforce account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Salesforce credentials when required and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the integration. After the installation process is complete, return to your Mailchimp account to configure the integration settings. Ensure that all necessary permissions are granted for the integration to function correctly. It is advisable to check both your Mailchimp and Salesforce accounts to confirm that the integration has been established successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.